In 2018, I literally couldn't walk because I had so much scar tissue and I was in so much pain. And now I can jump. My name is Andrea Williams, and I've been coming to Charms since 2019. I'm a retired ballerina, so I have a lot of injuries. Dr. Harris is such a compassionate doctor, and he really cares about helping people feel better. The first time I saw him, I was in such a bad state because I was in so much pain and couldn't do any of the things I love to do, but I was still having to teach ballet even though I couldn't walk, which was incredibly painful. And I also like to take ballet class, and I couldn't do that anymore either. And I was a mess, and he was so compassionate and so kind and so positive, like he really knew he could help me. And I ended up giving him a big hug at the end of my first appointment because he made me feel so much better, just knowing that I was in good hands and that there was possibly a way forward without surgery.